Good morning students, this is Rahul sir and you are most welcome in Mindworld classes. In previous classes we have completed chapter 7, that is congruence of triangles. Okay, now today we are going to study chapter 8, which is unitary method. Okay, first we will understand what is unitary method and percentage. So we will first understand unitary method, later on we will study about the percentage. Now let's talk about what is unitary method. What is unitary method? So first take an example. First let's take an example like if we have 20 toffees. If we have 20 toffees, okay, if we purchase 20 toffees at the cost of 40 rupees, okay, that means by 40 rupees we purchase 20 toffees. Okay, so if I ask that what will be the cost of 15 toffees, what will be the cost of 15 toffees. So for finding out this type of question, what we will do? First 40 upon 20, we will find the cost of one toffee, and later on we will multiply that amount to 15, that is 40 upon 20, that means 2 rupees is the cost of one toffee, and multiply by 15, that means 30 rupees. Okay, this is how. Listen, when we find out the cost of one toffee, in this case we find out the cost of one toffee. This is that here each and every time we will find the cost of one article, one thing, one object. So that's why, because we are finding out the value of one thing, that's why it is called a unitary method. That's why it is called as unitary method. So that means here first of all we have to find out the value of one object, and later on we will multiply the quantity with the price, and we will find the total price of the total number of objects. Let's solve the first question. If 8 kg of salt costs 96 rupees, how much does 40 kg of salt cost? Okay, so let's question number first, exercise 8.1. So if 8 kg of salt costs 96, cost of 8 kg of salt, that is equal to 96 rupees. How much it is? 96 rupees. If the cost of 8 kg is 96 rupees, then cost of 1 kg of salt will be equal to 96 upon 8. Listen, please understand here. If we reduce thing here, we will divide this side. What we are doing here? 8, this was the 8 number, here it is 1. So 1 is less now. So we are dividing 8 here, so we will also divide 8 here. So the cost of 1 kg is 98 upon 96 upon 8 rupees. So that is 12 rupees per kg. The cost of salt is 12 rupees per kg. So cost of 40 kg of salt is equal to 12 into cost of 1. That means, now listen, here we are multiplying 40. Here we are multiplying 40 to 1. 140 is a 40. So we are also multiplying here 40 also. 480 rupees. And this is how we find the cost of the salt of 40 kg. Okay, understood? This is how we solve the questions. Okay, so now let's come another question. Let's come question number 5. If 17 liters of edible oil costs 1674.50, then find the price of 5 liters. What do we have to do? We have to find out the cost of the 5 liter edible oil. Okay, so what we will do here? First of all, we will find the cost of 1 liter of edible oil. After that we will find the cost of 15 liter. So what we will do here, first of all, question number 5, cost of 17 liter of oil is equal to 1674.50. okay, now unitary method, what does it say? First of all we will find the value of one object. Now here it is 17 objects, so now we are going to find out one. So the cost of 1 liter of oil will be equal to 1674.50 divided by 17. Here we are dividing this side, that's why we are dividing this side again. So what we will get here? So let's divide this 1674.50, 9 times 153. Okay, what we get? 414.50. Seventeen eight ja 136. What we get? Here we get 8 and yes 8 point here, put the point here, so okay, we'll get 5. Okay, okay, so we divided here, what do we get? 98.5 rupees. What is the cost of 1 liter of oil? Is 98.5 rupees. Now cost of 15 liter. Cost of 15 liter of oil, that is equal to 15 into 98.5 rupees. And when we multiply both these two, we will get the answer. Okay, please multiply this and you will find the answer. Now let's come further question. Okay, let's come to question number 9. A machine fills 390 bottles of soda in 6 hours. How long will it take to fill 1365 bottles? Okay, let's please take the screenshot of this. Okay, now let's solve the question number 9. What it is saying? That a machine fills 390 bottles of soda in 6 hours. Time taken to fill 390 bottles is equal to 6 hours. Okay, so time taken to fill one bottle will be equal to 6/390 hours. Okay, so time taken to fill how many bottles? 1365. 1365 is equal to 6/390 into 1365. We will solve this and we will get the answer. 3 2 jayega. Okay, so 13 okay, and 21 How much time will it take? 21 hours it will take. So try to solve these questions. Try to solve these questions up to question number 10. Thank you.